A very warm welcome to the USAID Bulletin. I'm Meena Tariq. In today's USAID Bulletin, we will be taking a look at the efforts of USAID in the private sector in Pakistan. To support sustainable and inclusive growth, USAID invests in activities that increase access to energy and catalyze private sector growth, investment and trade. The focus is on creating an open trade and investment environment with an emphasis on private sector partnerships. USAID also advances market connectivity, entrepreneurship, job generation, networking and innovation, particularly for youth, women and marginalized populations. USAID engages the private sector in Pakistan using market-driven approaches to address social, economic and humanitarian development challenges. To increase the availability of financing for underserved borrowers who are often ignored, USAID partnered with 4 local banks to provide a partial loan guarantee to provide financing to such underserved borrowers. This guarantee not only benefits small and medium-scale borrowers, but also helps banks expand their lending portfolio and extend longer-term loans for clean energy projects. This partnership has already mobilized financing for biofuel and solar projects, totaling 40 megawatts. Additionally, USAID's assistance to the government of Pakistan and private sector developers supporting clean energy deals is adding 610 megawatts to the national grid. Further, USAID continues to support the improvement of the policy and regulatory environment. USAID funded the Jhimpir Wind Power Transmission Project, which led to $1.5 billion in private investment, including the sales and services of US firms such as General Electric. USAID is also ramping up efforts with both Pakistan's National Electric Transmission Company and its Renewable Energy Authority to establish transparent and competitive bidding for private investors to drive down electricity prices, such as setting up a smart grid lab at the Power Information Technology Company in Punjab and facilitating a partnership with the Lahore University of Management Sciences. USAID builds business-to-business linkages to help access new markets, improves business operations and facilitates regional trade. USAID's assistance is fostering entrepreneurship and job creation by working with SMEs to improve business practices, build networks and linkages, inform policy reforms to improve the business enabling environment, and increase access to capital. For example, in 2013, USAID partnered with the regional government in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Telenor, an international mobile network operator in Pakistan, to create and deliver tailored mobile solutions to get information to peach and potato growers as well as fisheries in Swat Valley. By delivering real-time information about market prices and new techniques, weather forecasting and diversified financial services via mobile technology, the services help farmers to improve productivity and get better returns on their investment. USAID partnered with Unilever to identify and train community midwives at a health facility constructed by Unilever, enabling access to community maternal health services. USAID partnered with Aman Healthcare Services in Sindh province to promote telehealth services across 16 districts of Sindh. USAID has also provided technical assistance to a Pakistani pharmaceutical firm, Feroz Sons, to help produce international quality remdesivir for COVID-19 treatment. USAID partnered with the Association of Physicians of Pakistani Descent of North America, or APNA, to collaborate and share expertise and resources to address health challenges in Pakistan, focusing on maternal and child health care. USAID has contributed $1.5 million matched by Cisco in the form of an in-kind contribution. The partnership installed Cisco networking training equipment at all the partner institutions and trained 132 IT teachers to cascade the ICT skills training to students. More than 3,500 students completed their training through these academics. USAID has also provided support to the Buffalo Breeders Association of Punjab by providing training to its members on best animal husbandry practices. USAID has leveraged a total of $2.2 million in private sector investment. USAID established the Center of Applied Policy Research in Livestock at the University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences in Lahore. 4 studies were supported through CAPRIL, while the Centre completed and published 18 studies in collaboration with and support from the public and private sector. Our reporter has put together a special report for you. Let's take a look.
ضلع سوات میں موجود یہ گاؤں مینگورا شہر سے تقریباً 2.5 گھنٹے کے سفر پر واقع ہے. یہاں لوگوں کے لیے اپنے رشتہ داروں سے رابطہ رکھنا بھی مشکل تھا کیونکہ 1947 سے لے کر 2012 تک یہاں پر بجلی کا کوئی انتظام نہ تھا. بجلی کی سہولت نہ ہونے کی وجہ سے یہاں پر کئی نسلیں ان پڑھ بڑی ہوئیں. USAID نے یہاں پر ایک لوکل تنظیم کی مدد کی جس سے اس علاقے میں کچھ ترقیاتی کام شروع ہوئے. آئیے یہاں کے لوگوں سے جانتے ہیں. 2009 سے اب تک امریکہ نے صوبہ خیبر پختونخوا میں ڈیولپمنٹ کے لیے تقریباً $2 بلین کی امداد فراہم کی ہے. ایسے منصوبوں کی بدولت USAID یہاں کے مقامی لوگوں کو بااختیار بنانے کا پختہ ارادہ رکھے ہوئے ہے.
2012 میں جب یہاں امریکہ USAID والوں نے یہاں پہ یہ بجلی گھر بنایا ہے، فن بجلی گھر بنایا ہے، تو اس سے تقریباً 70 سے لے کر 80 گھروں تک پر مشتمل لوگ جو مستفید ہو چکے ہیں. ان لوگوں کے گھروں پہ اگر کوئی بیماری وغیرہ ہوتے تھے یا انسان بیمار ہو جاتے تھے یا مویشی وغیرہ، تو ان لوگوں کا کوئی رابطہ شہر کے ساتھ نہیں ہوتا تھا. اور ابھی جب یہ بجلی گھر کامیاب ہو گیا ہے تو تقریباً یہ لوگ اس کو فون کرتے ہیں اور تقریباً 10-15 منٹ میں یہاں میل ڈاکٹر بھی، فیمیل بھی اور مویشیوں کو ڈاکٹر بھی اویلیبل ہو جاتے ہیں. ان لوگوں کو بہت فائدہ ہے.
As always, thank you so much for watching our bulletin. We look forward to your suggestions and your comments, and we'll see all of you again next week.